not promoted as a retro bicycle, the 2018 Yamaha TW200 possesses all the necessary qualities. In any case, that is just on the grounds that it hasn't had any huge changes in decades. Therefore, the 2018 Yamaha TW200 still has a 28mm Mikuni carburetor, an air-cooled engine, a back drum brake, and non-movable suspension. In any case, the TW200 still fits in the advanced world. The low seat stature invites nearly everybody, and the 278-pound light weight is moderately low. The fat tires give bunches of footing on and off asphalt, however they lean toward a steady pace. Ridden appropriately, the TW200 can go pretty much any place you point it, on account of the simple torquey engine and gigantic elastic impression. A most loved RV race guard bicycle, the 2018 Yamaha TW200 is extraordinary for short drives and errand runs, alongside fun rough terrain journeys. 2018 Yamaha TW200 specs. Motor. Sword, single. Relocation, 196cc. Bore X-stroke, 67.0 by 55.7 mm, pressure proportion 9.5 to 1. Valve prepare, SOC, 2 valves. Energizing, Mikuni 28mm carb. Cooling, air. Transmission, constant work 5-speed. Last drive, chain. Skeleton. Front suspension, travel, non-flexible fork, 6.3 inches. Raised suspension, travel, non-flexible stun, 5.9 inches. Front tire, 130/80/18. Raised tire, 180/80/14. Front brake, 220mm circle. Raised brake, 110mm drum. Measurements and capacities. Wheelbase, 52.2 inches. Brake, 25.8 degrees, trail, 3.4 inches. Seat stature, 31.1 inches. Ground freedom, 10.4 inches. Fuel limit 1.8 gallons. EPA evaluated efficiency, 78 miles per gallon, wet weight, 278 pounds. 2018 Yamaha TW200 color. Sandy beige. 2018 Yamaha TW200 price. $4,599 MSRP.